Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. So, Cancer, ano bang dala ng August pagdating sa'yo? Ano bang dala ng August sa'yo, Cancerian? So, let's see and let's check. And syempre, titingnan din natin the person on your mind. So, sa end ng ating video. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yes, we do have Evil Eye Protection. So, yung Evil Eye Protection ring natin is adjustable po. Ha? Adjustable siya. So, meron pa tayo dito. Papakita ko lang. Flex ko lang. And sa mga ayaw na, you can skip the video sa reading. Okay? So, ito yung ating mga sample ng Evil Eye Protection natin. Ito yung dalawang bracelet natin. So, ito yung ito yung garterize. Okay, ganyan po yung garterize. Ganyan yung pendant niya. Okay, shining shimmering. So, ito naman yung ating customized. Ito yung customized natin kasi nilalagay natin ito ng initial ng magmamayari. Available po ito sa red strings. Okay, this is adjustable by the way. Okay, adjustable siya. Ito yung recommend ko sa mga younger followers. Anyway, ito naman yung ating Evil Eye necklace protection. So, meron siyang blue stone doon sa center as you can see, kahit hindi masyadong makita. Anyway, so this is unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Kung gusto nyo palitan yung chain, pwede naman. Okay, important lang dyan is yung ating pendant. Okay? Simple lang ng ating pendant. Pero, kabog. Okay. So, next is yung ating, unahin natin itong granter. So, si granter, this is made to order by the way. This is unisex. Hindi masyado talagang makita. My gosh. Ayoko magbuhay ng ilaw. Kasi talagang sobrang liwanag naman. Hindi naman makita rin. So, yan. Ganyan si granter. Siya is taga-grant po. Okay, ng mga minamanifest. Taga-grant po, ha? And tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises. Okay, yun si granter. So, ito yung front, ito yung back. Diba? See? Yun siya. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, made to order. Okay, yung ating granter. Samahan po ninyo ng Evil Eye Protection, please. Para hindi po nasasabotahe sa frequency pa lang kung anong mga minamanifest nyo. So, pag nag-grant niya, yun lang ang mag-grant. Okay, kailangan yung protectionan. Okay, sana nagagets nyo. Protectionan ninyo yung inyong frequency sa pamamagitan ng Evil Eye Protection para yung mamamanifest or mag-grant po ng ating granter or nitong ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet is protektado at hindi basag-basag. Okay, ganun po, ha? So, ito naman yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine stone. Okay, citrine po is a money magnet. Okay, yun po, ha? Si citrine, money magnet. And madalas ginagamit ng mga business owners. Okay? So, kasi nakakatawag siya ng wealth, nakakatawag siya ng prosperity, abundance. So, pwede yan sa trabaho mo para mabigyan ka ng raise, mga ganun. Okay? Dumami ang sales mo. Yan po, ha? Ang naipoprovide ng citrine sa pamamera. And, syempre, hindi lang pamamera, kundi, love din, syempre. Okay? Nandyan yung, sabihin natin, harmonious na pagsasama. No? Bibigyan ka rin ito, syempre. Kung ikaw ay single, bibigyan ka rin ito ng magandang, partnership, syempre. No? Yun po, ha? So, ito naman, yung ating cord cutting. Pangtanggal at pangtaboy, MALAS. Yan po, ha, ang job description ng ating cord cut. Ano ba? Bakit ba natin tinatanggal? Kasi pwedeng sila nga yung nagpapabigat sa ating frequency. Ganun po yun, ha. Oo, hindi lang tayo magfo-focus sa mga taong kailangan nating tanggalin sa inyong energy. Ano bang dahilan bakit tinatanggal yun? Okay, kasi sila ay nagbibigay ng mabigat or kabigatan sa'yo. Ha? So, yun. Okay? And syempre, about sa cleansing kit. So, cleansing kit, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite. Selenite is siya po yung re-recharge sa ating mga charms and crystals, no? Kung meron kayong mga sarili-sarili na dyan, so, at alam nyo, minsan nahahawakan, nababati ng ibang tao, idikit nyo kay selenite overnight para ma-cleanse yung energy. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung anong nakuha niyang energy doon sa humawak, doon sa bumati, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, yeah, yun lamang. Kung may tanong pa, just message me sa FB page. Sa legit po, ha? Oo, naglipa na ang ating mga nanggagaya. Oo. Okay? So, Cancer, what's for you ngayong August? August for Cancer. 7 of Wands in reversed. The Tower in reversed. Meron ditong sabihin nating talagang iniiwas-iwasan nyo. Okay? Talagang iniiwas-iwasan nyo. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit. Yung pag-iwas na nangyayari kasi, sabihin nating mas lalong nagbibigay ng, sabihin nating mas nagiging worst. Oo. Mas nagiging worst yung situation habang inyong ina-avoid. Ito nang ina-avoid. Some of you need to face this. Kailangan yung harapin. Okay, I don't know kung ano to. Some of you, maybe this is talking about healing. Some of you, you're not choosing to heal, or maybe sabihin nating healing sa wrong way of healing. It's like you're bypassing the healing process. Parang ganon. Some of you. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Pwede kasing some of you are still afraid to let go of something from your past, maybe afraid, totally ma-detach from that energy. This is a message, I guess, na kailangan mo na talaga tong i-release or i-face. Okay? Yeah, the 7 of Wands in reverse and the Tower in reverse. Avoid na ninyo yung toxic situation. You have to avoid toxic situation. So, what else for Cancer? Anong meron ngayong August for Cancerians? The 10 of Cups. I'm hearing a family issue na talagang hindi ma-avoid. I don't know kung ano. 10 of Cups. Yeah. 10 of Pentacles. This is a family issue. I don't know if somebody will sabihin natin lalayo, aalis, mawawala. Mga ganun. Yeah. 10, 10, 10. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and a 10 of Wands in reverse. I'm hearing, I don't know kung meron ditong ang tawag dyan, may nag-pass away. Yeah. I'm hearing somebody passed away. Okay. Family member. May angel number kayo 10, 10, 10. So, it's a completion, acceptance for some of you. You have to accept, the situation. Kung hindi man sa ngayon, yeah, eventually. Okay. Some of you, I'm hearing mana. Okay, mana. And this is money. material things. Some of you will get amana, inherit. Okay? Yeah, see? The Six of Pentacles. May ibibigay. Kung makikita nyo, pera yan. Okay? So, what's with that Six of Pentacles? Yeah, this is legal. Legal matter. Some of you, I'm hearing away-away kasi hindi daw fair, hindi equal. Mas marami doon sa isa kaysa sa akin. Parang ganun. There's imbalance. Yeah. Kung makikita nyo to, there's imbalance dito sa Six of Pentacles. See, we have here sa side na to, 3 and this is 2. Okay? Yung isa, binibigyan ng binibigyan. Yung isa, hindi. Nakatangla lang. Okay? So, I'm hearing arguments or away pagdating dyan. Kung ano man to. Parinigan, mga ganong bagay. Somebody will get upset, mad. What's with this Six of Pentacles? Pwede rin naman ito, sabihin nating simpleng may humiram lang at hindi nakapagbayad, mga ganong bagay. Yeah, and the Two of Wands universe. The Three of Wands universe. I'm hearing, Cancerian, na hindi dapat alam ng lahat ng tao or kung sino man nasa paligid mo kung magkano ang na-earn mo. Hindi ko alam, that's an advice, that's a message. Hindi mo dapat ipaalam or hindi dapat vulnerable, okay, yung pamemera mo. Hindi dapat vulnerable. I don't know why. Andun kasi, pwedeng andun yung silipan. Pwedeng alam nila, yes, may pera ka, pero bakit ganito yung binibigay sa akin or bakit ganun yung binibigay sa kanya, bakit ganito lang, whatsoever. Okay? May pera naman siya, may pera naman si Cancer, parang ganon. So, I'm hearing issues. Pagdating sa pamemera, sa family, ngayong August. Okay? Yeah, ito na naman, another 10. So, yeah, yun lang ang aking nakikita. Sana maging okay, actually. Sana maging okay. So, let's see the person on your mind, Cancer. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. Ano yon? Ano yon? The person on your mind. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, what? You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. What? Cancer. Carpenters, no? The Carpenters. Ano ang title nun? Love me for what I am. Oh, I think maybe the song could be nothing. There could be something significant about that song. Who love that song? Who likes that song? Maganda yung song na yon, pero medyo sad. So, is the person on your mind? So, siguro yung song na yon may something, message for you. No? Parang, we fell in love. Na 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 na. Hindi ko sa ulo, oh my gosh. So, the person on your mind, let's see. Whoops! The Three of Cups. Oh my gosh! So, the Three of Cups. This could be a friend, Or you're in an open relationship with this person, aren't you, Cancer? No labels? No labels? I guess. Let's see. Some of you, this could be a third party. Huh? That's with that 3 of Cups in reversed. Yeah, the Tower. So I'm hearing and sensing separation, some of you. And I'm hearing, meron dito nga po prolong lamang na separation with this person. Somebody is doing all the work para ma-fix everything sa situation. Okay? Meron ditong na-ignore. Meron ditong nag-overthink. So there is no sabihin nating peace of mind over the situation, over the person, maybe. Let's see. Anyway, there could be separation sa ngayon or napoprolong ang hiwalayan. Yung parang gagawin everything para hindi totally mangyari yung separation. So, anong meron sitwasyon? Some of you, well, you need to know. Cancer. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. Okay, so talagang napaka-unstable na nitong connection na meron kayo. And yes, I think some of you, wala kayong relasyon nitong taong to. Okay, meron lang talagang nagpapagana sa sitwasyon, that is why you're together. Parang ganyan. Could be sex-based, money-based. Okay? So, what's with that Lovers in reverse? I think, sabihin natin sa sitwasyon, pwedeng may mga blockages, the Hermit. Tamang-tama yung kanta dito, no? Tamang-tama yung kanta. Oo. Para na lang lagi na lang naghahanap eh. Ng kung ano man dito sa sitwasyon. Okay? So, lagi may paghahanap. Meron bang mangyayari, label sa atin? Magkakaroon ba tayo ng seryosong pagsasama dito, Cancer? Mga ganong bagay ang meron. Some of you, this connection is tago. I'm seeing some of you that this is a secret affair. The Ace of Cups. The 3 of Wands. Walang what? Open for the cup. Okay, walang open. May nakatalikod pagdating sa offer. Meaning to say, I think, siguro isa sa inyo or this person na nire-read natin, hindi sila available. Yeah. Pwedeng, open relationship, no commitments at all. Anyway, parang may kahawig to kay Gemini. Maybe some of you have Gemini placements. Okay? Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. So, tayo magbalik. So, tingnan natin, anong emosyon nito sa'yo, Cancer? Anong emosyon? What is their emotion? Deep down. We have here Scorpio, Gemini, Virgo, water signs. Okay. Yeah. Feeling ignored. Feeling ignored. They're sad. Sa ngayon, kung nasa separation kayo, parang feeling niya wala kang pakialam sa kanya. I don't know kung wala kang ginagawa. Wala ka bang ginagawa? Kung wala kang ginagawa ngayong sitwasyon, feeling niya parang hinahayaan mo na lamang. Okay, yung sitwasyon nyo na ganito. The 4 of Cups. Yeah, and the Magician in reversed. Feeling niya, pinapabayaan mo na lang totally itong connection na to. Yung iba sa inyo, na kayo ay magka-connect pa, oo, pero parang wala naman na. Feeling nila talaga, itong taong to, wala nang pag-asa to. sobrang lungkot, sobrang lumbay. Some of them is they're making fake scenarios sa utak nila. Na ganto, ganyan. Hindi nila maiwasan. Okay? Na wala ka talagang pakialam sa kanya, maybe. Ganun ang kanyang mga iniisip, emosyon nito, they're sad. Some of them, they're bitter. They're mad. They're mad. Okay? So, what is their next action? So, siguro, itong taong to, feeling niya kasi feeling niya, pwede namang magawa ng paraan itong connection nyo na to, pero parang hindi ginagawa. Parang hinahayaan na lang talaga. Parang walang nangyayari. Parang wala talagang plano, walang ganun. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang next action niya towards this? Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Hindi na maging available. So, siguro nga, hindi na rin siya talaga magiging available dito. Hindi na to para ipaglaban ng taong to rin. Yung connection nyo. Yeah. Oh. Pwedeng meron po ditong involve. Pwedeng may mga involved dito. Hahayaan na lang din talaga. Okay? Anong outcome? Some of you, you're in a karmic connection with this person. Yeah. You're in a karmic ties. So, tingnan natin. Outcome / advice for Cancerians. The Six of Swords. Magkaroon po ng plano. Okay? Plano in general. Kung may mga kailangan ayusin dito, ayusin. Closure. Kung may kailangan bigyan ng closure. Okay, mga ganyang bagay. Hindi naman masyadong importante rin yung closure, no? Kasi, what if, no? Hindi na rin naman kailangan talaga ng tao or what. Magbibigay lang ng mas malalang sitwasyon kung sakali man. Then, yeah. Kunin ko yon. Yeah. And the Three of Wands in the reversed. So, talagang paglayo na to for the better. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. Set aside your emotions, Cancer. Or you have to set aside both of you. You have to set aside your emotions dito sa connection na to. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, yes. Kahit sabihin natin iba sa inyo, pinasok nyo yung sitwasyon na to, itong connection na to, kahit alam nyo may mga kasali na. No? Siguro nagamitan nga lang kayo nitong taong to. Sabi nga sa kanta. Anyway, so alisan na itong connection na to hanggat maaari. Outcome, layuan na para mas maging okay, para mas maging, sabihin natin, magkaroon pa, no? At isara na yung chapter. Isara na, like totally sara. Wala nang second or another chapter. Ang nakuha ko dito, this is an ending. Ending of a chapter, ending of the story, finale. Okay, fin. The end. Ang nakuha ko dito. Even though, medyo mahirap nga alisan itong connection na to kasi some of you, you're in a karmic connection. So, may mga lesson, no? Every time na tayo ay mapupunta sa isang karmic connection, makakalis lang kayo sa isang connection na karmic kung alam ninyo yung lesson na ibinabato sa inyo nung sitwasyon. Okay? Pag malalaman mo at naiintindihan mo na at pwede mo nang i-apply sa sarili mo, alam mo na kung paano, tsaka ka makakaalis. Ganun lang. So, it's up to you kung anong lesson ang ibinibigay. Okay? Kanya-kanya yun. Hindi pare-pareho. Hindi rin po kailangan sabihin na kung sino man, kung anong kailangan mong malaman. Ikaw mismo ang dapat makadiskubre. Yes. So, let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Cancerians. The song. Oh, alam niyo yung song? Siguro alam niyo yun. Oo naman, Diyos ko. Yung iba nga, mas may maedad pa sa akin. Alam niyo yun. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Aries. They want to be with you. Some of you, you're divinely guided with this Aries. They want a connection with you. Physical connection maybe. So Taurus, they're passionate. Some of them, they're lasting over you. Yeah, they're lasting. So Gemini, they're curious. Some of them, pwedeng meron kayong malalaman. Okay, with the Gemini. Cancer, they're sabihin nating burdens. There's burdens. Feeling the burdens. Parang ganyan. Mabigat. Leo, they need you. Virgo, they have a crush on you. Libra, there's third party involved. Scorpio is moving on. Sagittarius, there could be a third party involved or an open relationship with a Sagittarius. Capricorn, they're a player. They're not serious. Aquarius is healing. There could be an ending with an Aqua. Pisces, they're sad actually. They're sad right now. But yeah, some of them, they're healing. Focusing on new things, on new energies. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Hanapin nyo na lamang. Again, thank you. Goodbye.